Hey guys, welcome back. I don't have a lot to say about Bitcoin. Today. Not much is happening with Bitcoin or with the market in general. So all I can say is that we are now holding here on this support line, and I expect to consolidate for a little bit and then push higher, break the all-time high sometime soon. Of course, there's this possibility of the head and shoulder. I've seen few people talking about this. It could happen, but it's too early to anticipate that. I would only be worried if we start breaking below the previous lows, this one or this one. That would be very concerning, and then I would maybe start finding targets down if that was to happen, but so far I won't anticipate that. So I'm gonna use this video to ask a few questions, and maybe someone can answer on the comment section, because there's something I just don't get, and it's all related to the Bitcoin gold fork. I don't understand why we don't know the circulating supply, and therefore we don't know the market cap, and why we don't have trading volume. Almost is very low, 11 million of trading volume. I mean, unless this website coin market cap, it's not updated, or the data is not reliable. That could be one thing. But if we believe that they are updated and they have real data, then why don't we know the circulating supply? Shouldn't it be 16 million? If we had, I mean, around 16 million, not exactly, but if we had around 16 million Bitcoin at the moment of the hard fork, shouldn't we have the exact same at the moment of the fork here? And why is people not trading this? Did people not access their Bitcoin gold yet? Because when we had the fork for Bitcoin Cash, the price was not that different. I mean, I would understand if Bitcoin gold was so cheap, like it was $20 or or $1, then why would you bother? But it's not been as that different comparing with the Bitcoin Cash fork. When it was trading on the futures, it was 500 according to CoinMarketCap. I thought it was higher than this, but anyways, according to CoinMarketCap, the highest on the futures was 500 and something. And then as soon as it was released here, it was released here on the 1st of August, and then the next day we already had all the information, the circulating supply. Therefore you could calculate the market cap, and people started trading it. We had 400 million trading volume here. The highest was 756 this day on the 2nd of August, and then people started to sell. And then the 5th of August, I remember this was the day when the market cap exploded and it broke the all-time highs parabolic, and Bitcoin started to go parabolic as well. And the lowest price that day for Bitcoin Cash was $200. So it's not that different from the price we have today from Bitcoin Gold. But here we had 144 million of trading volume, and we're not having any volume here. We have 11 million, which is nothing. So if we don't have that much trading volume, it has nothing to do with the price. It has to do with the people not trading it. That's why we don't see any effect on the total market cap or on the price of Bitcoin or altcoins or anything, because people's not trading it. So what's going on here? My question is, why people didn't access their Bitcoin gold yet? Or why is people not trading it? Because we have it on Bitfinex. I mean, Bitfinex is a huge market, so it's not like you cannot trade it, and it's not like it's that cheap that it's not worth it. So did people not access their Bitcoin gold yet, or is it because I mean, for example, I had some Bitcoin on Bittrex at the moment of the fork, and I didn't get credited my Bitcoin Gold there yet. So it's not that I'm worried because it was very little. I moved all my Bitcoins out of Bittrex when we started having those news about them banning accounts for no reason. I just removed almost everything from there, and I just left a little bit of Bitcoin and a little bit of USD Tether. So I had a little bit there, but it was not that much, so I'm not even worried about getting my Bitcoin Gold. But the thing is, I didn't get credited the Bitcoin Gold yet. So did you guys get it? If you any of you had some Bitcoin at Bittrex and you didn't get it yet, maybe that's the reason we don't see trading volume yet. I mean, what did you guys do with your Bitcoin Gold? I didn't do anything, but I didn't do anything with Bitcoin Cash either. I didn't even access my Bitcoin Cash until very recently. I knew I had my private keys and I could access it any time in the future, so I was not in a hurry. I didn't want to sell it, so I didn't do anything. But I would think most people would want to sell it, right? I mean, now the price is going down, just like it happened with Bitcoin Gold, but it was more expensive before. And this is not like it's extremely cheap, like it's similar with Bitcoin Gold. And yet, here was 200 this day, the lowest. And yet we had 144 million in trading volume. So I don't understand. I think if we can get trading volume with Bitcoin Gold, we would see an effect on the total market cap. We would see Bitcoin rising and maybe the altcoins as well. I mean, the market cap would break the all-time highs just like it happened the last time with Bitcoin Cash, but it's not happening for some reason, and I don't understand why not. And I don't understand why we don't know the circulating supply, and I don't know why, therefore, we don't know the market cap. So I'm gonna leave the question there, guys. What's your thoughts about this? And I'll leave the video here, and I will see you soon. Bye.